Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through internet tricks you should know using Android. Now in this video I'm gonna show you a trick that you can block any app in your mobile. By using an app, you can block any app in your device and that app will not work. You won't get any notification, you cannot send message, you cannot receive message from that app. So for that, just go to Play Store and in the top search bar search for block internet access for apps. Now here you will see so many apps. Most of the apps work the same. I'm going to install this one. Now after installing it, just open it. In this app you need to just give some permissions, so click on I agree. Now just click on an app like a TerraBox and click on these two icons here, Wi-Fi and data, and by this app internet access will block. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.